Let a equals the cube root of 4 plus square root 8 plus the cube root of 4 minus square root 8. We are asked to find the value of log base 2 of a squared minus 6 plus log base a of 8 divided by a plus 6 plus log base 1/2 of 1 divided by a. To simplify a, we cube both sides using the identity x plus y cubed equals x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy times x plus y. Applying that to our expression for a cubed equals 4 plus square root 8 plus 4 minus square root 8 plus 3 times the cube root of 4 plus square root 8 times the cube root of 4 minus square root 8 times a. The first two terms add up to 8. Inside the cube roots, 4 squared minus 8 equals 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. So we get a cubed equals 8 plus 3 times 2 times a, which is 8 plus 6a. Rewriting that a cubed minus 6a equals 8. Divide both sides by a squared minus 6 equals 8 divided by a, and a squared equals 8 divided by a plus 6. Now we substitute into the original expression, simplifies using the change of base formula. So we get, this becomes 3 plus 2 equals 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun math problems.